Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to solve one more Leetcode problem. The problem difficulty is easy, problem number 20 and its valid parenthesis. Let's understand this problem statement carefully. Given a string S containing the characters, determine if the input string is valid. The input string is going to be valid if and only if the open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets and they must be closed in the correct order. Let's see this problem in a diagram for a better understanding. Assume you have given a string like this. Okay, by observing this we can tell this is a valid one because it for this open we have this close, 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 and they are all in order, right? What is the example for invalid? You can take anything, something, okay, like this. It has a open and it has a close, but this has only open, it does not have any close, since it is invalid. Okay, and we need to return in case of true and we need to return in case of false. Let's understand how we can solve this problem. This problem is a perfect example for leveraging the stack data structure. Okay, let's see how we can solve this problem using the stack data structure. I am going to take this as an input. What are the basic conditions we're going to have? Before that, let me take a stack here for a visual representation. I am denoting it as a S. The first and foremost condition is your string should not start with any closing one, right? I mean to say it should not start with these things, right? This is the first condition we are going to check. First condition. Okay. First, let's start from here. This is an open, not a close. Then we are going to do an insert operation. Every time we get any open bracket, we are going to insert, and every time when we are going to close, when we are going to get a close, and we're going to check its corresponding open in the stack. Okay, we are done with this one, and let's take this one. It is also open. Let's insert here, and next this one. This is also open. Let's insert here, and now carefully observe, this is a close. Okay, if it is a close, it should have its open immediately, right? We're going to check whether for this close do we have open at the top. Yes, we have open at the top. Then we are going to pop out this. Okay, that means we got a valid pair here. Okay, then I did a stack dot pop here, then I come here, it is an open, then I am going to store here, then I will come here, this is again close. I need to check on the top of stack whether I have an open for this. Yes, I do have an open. Then I am going to pop out this one also. Here also I got a good pair. Okay, then I have a close here again. Okay, this one also close, and I will check whether I have a open for this at the top of stack. What is the top of stack now? This one. So this is also a good pair here. Then I am going to do a pop here. Then finally I am at this position, and I am going to check what is there in the top of stack. It should be open. Yes, I have open. Then I'm also going to pop out this. Then I completed visiting all the characters. Now if we carefully observe, stack is empty. Our goal is at the end of complete iteration our stack should be empty, then only we can tell it is a valid string. Okay, this is how we are going to solve this problem. What are the time and space complexities with this approach? Time complexity is going to be big of n because we are iterating from each and every character, and space complexity also going to be big of n because we are using this extra data structure stack where we are going to store the all characters. Okay, it is going to take big of n. I hope you understood the logic. Let me go to the coding and let me write it. First we have to initialize our stack, and I'm going to initialize it. New stack. Yeah, I'm done. Then I'm going to iterate from each and every character. Char ch s dot. There is a method called toChar array in a string class. Okay. Yeah. What is my first condition? As I said, your string should not start with any closing thing. Right. For that, how you can write? If stack dot is empty. If my stack is empty, okay, and my ch is this one, I can have it in a separate bracket, or my ch is this one, or my ch is this one. Okay, yeah, this is open and its corresponding close we have it, and this is the open and we have its yeah. In this case, what we are going to do, the stack is empty and the first character is closing one, we're going to return simply false. This is not an invalid string. Else if stack dot is empty, not okay, if stack is not empty, and ch is equals to this one, if it is this one, the stack of the top element should be its corresponding, it should be close, corresponding open one, right? And stack dot peak will return me the top of the element. Okay, stack of peak is this one. Okay, if this is the character and my stack of top should be this one, in this case I am going to perform the stack dot pop because this is a valid pair, right? And this condition is going to be same for other two types of characters. Let me copy and paste it. And if my character is this one, and my top of stack should be this one, and if my character is this one, my top of stack should be this one. In this every case I'm going to do the pop, and if this is not the case, then it is an open bracket, then I'm going to push into the stack. That's it. At the end of the loop, after completing the loop, just return stack dot is empty. As I said, this should be empty, my stack should be empty after performing this all operations. Okay, and empty is going to return the true if stack is empty, otherwise it is going to return the false. Okay, we are pretty much done with this coding. Just run it. Yeah, good. Let's run a custom test case here which they given. Great. Let's give a negative test case I'm giving like this, and we can simply see here it should return false, and you can see it return false. That's it. Let's submit. Yeah, it got submitted successfully. And I hope you learned something new today. Please do subscribe to my channel